Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. From here we go into the top right corner and tap on the clock icon. And then under notifications we tap on email notifications. And here we have a list of things that we can get notified by through email, marketing emails and announcements, and sales and offers, credit reminders, Audible news and announcements, etc. We can select the boxes that we don't want to have from these, like this, or we can just tap on the last box, which is unsubscribing from all of the marketing and subscription emails that the Audible app is going to send out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.